Hanging plants are an easy way to make the most of every kind of space, both indoors and out. Indoors, hanging plants don't take up floor space or tabletops. Plus, you can keep them out of the reach of curious kids and pets. They also add color and drama to boring corners or awkward spaces in your home for New Year decorations. Many indoor hanging plants, such some types of ferns, also can summer outdoors, as long as you bring them in for the winter before temperatures drop into the 40s. Outdoors, hanging plants, such as petunias and fuchsia, are a way to add instant charm to your garden, decorate your front porch or patio, or make your back deck more inviting. Whether you're looking to fill window boxes or want to display a colorful collection of patio plants, hanging baskets are an easy solution. Here are the 10 best hanging flowering plants for New Year decorations. 1. Petunias. Petunias are classic choice for hanging baskets. Their vibrant blooms in colors like pink, purple, and white can instantly uplift any space. They thrive in sunlight, making them ideal for balconies and gardens. Dress up a porch, patio, deck, arbor or pergola with dazzling petunia hanging baskets. This quintessential summer flower comes in a wide array of colors and patterns that go with any home exterior or landscape style. When warmer weather arrives, it's time to think about planting annuals, which will brighten up the yard with months of continuous color. Petunias are one of the most popular summer flowers for their vibrant long-lasting blooms, vigorous growth, and mounding, spreading or trailing habit that makes them perfect for hanging baskets. With so many varieties to choose from, the possibilities for petunia hanging basket combinations are endless. While a single variety can be planted by itself, petunias really show off when paired with other petunias in complementary or contrasting colors and patterns. Here are some tips for how to create your own spectacular petunia hanging baskets. 2. Begonias. Begonias are known for their lush foliage and bright flowers. These low-maintenance plants bloom in various shades, including red, orange, and yellow, making them a perfect pick for festive decor. Cascading begonias are derived from several different species and begonia groups, but all of them have one thing in common: cascading habits and beautiful flowers. The tender plants have succulent foliage and thrive if given regular water, well-drained soil, and season-long fertilization. 3. Fuchsias. Fuchsias bring elegance to your New Year decorations with their drooping, bell-shaped flowers in shades of pink and purple. They thrive in partial shade and add a touch of sophistication to any setting. 4. Geraniums. Geraniums are hardy plants with clusters of vibrant blooms. Perfect for hanging baskets, they add charm with their cheerful flowers and are easy to maintain indoors or outdoors. 5. Lantanas. Lantanas are known for their clusters of small, multicolored flowers. These sun-loving plants are excellent for adding a tropical vibe to your decorations and attracting butterflies. 6. Impatiens. If you are looking for shade-loving plants, impatiens are a great choice. Their delicate blooms in soft pastel colors or bright hues are perfect for creating a calming yet festive atmosphere. 7. Sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum has tiny, fragrant flowers in white, pink, or purple. These cascading plants look stunning in hanging basket and fill the air with a pleasant fragrance. 8. Bougainvilleas. Bougainvilleas is a vibrant option for outdoor New Year decor. Its bright, papery bracts in shades of magenta, orange, or white create a stunning display when hung in sunny spots. 9. Calibrachoas. Calibrachoas resembles miniature petunias and comes in a wide range of colors. These trailing plants are ideal for hanging baskets, adding a burst of color to your festive decorations. 10. Morning Glory. Morning Glory vines are perfect for hanging decorations with their trumpet-shaped flowers in vibrant blues, purples, and pink. They bloom beautifully in the early hours, adding freshness to your New Year mornings. There's nothing quite as captivating as a well-kept entrance flanked by a pair of exuberantly overflowing hanging baskets. Filled with color, texture and scent, baskets are a great way to brighten up sheds, garages, fences and patios. Once you've chosen from the wide range of hanging basket hardware available, it's really easy to order either pre-planted hanging baskets or trays of annual bedding plants and create colorful themed displays. And if you prefer perennials, there are plenty of options for long-lasting interest, not only for New Year. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Until next time, thank you for watching. To God be the glory. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.